Hi everyone, this time let me show you one of our excellent TWS earbuds. Let's have a look at the details. Now let's see the internal part of this excellent earbuds. These TWS earbuds have two microphones, the primary microphone and the secondary microphone. It is also called the noise cancellation microphone. These TWS earbuds have a perfect noise reduction function. When you are talking on the phone, your voice can be heard clearly by the people on the other side. The BS chipset, a very stable Bluetooth chipset, the touch sensor and the battery, the ceramic antenna, speaker unit, pogo pin, earphone magnet, and the optical sensor. These TWS earbuds use ergonomic design to fit your ear. We use the ergonomic design to make sure it is very comfortable to wear these earbuds. In order to achieve and maintain the high quality performance, we use advanced test equipment in our production line. Let's go to our production line to have a look.
Or similar to the microscope. The worker can see from the screen to check the soldering quality, enlarge the soldering point. The soldering point can be displayed on the screen very large, swing in the screen. This is the RF testing. Test the Bluetooth distance. How far the Bluetooth signal can transfer. Testing. Passed. Put in another one. Testing. Test passed. Take out. Testing. Put in another one. Close down. Testing. This is the sound quality test station. Focus on the sound quality to check the speaker sound and the microphone sound. Frequency. Yeah, I understand. In other words, test the sound quality. this machine to test the sound quality. The test result will be accurate, more accurate than the human being.
And we have the two mics.
Oh,
Two mics.
this TWS has two microphones,
And also
so we need, yeah.
also test.
哦
所以它有9个测试的内容。
哦 yeah, many display windows to show the sound quality about the microphone quality and the microphone sensitivity and the speakers frequency response. In other words, the sound quality.
Our product design is excellent, our test equipment is advanced, and our price is competitive. It's a smart choice to buy TWS earbuds from us. Please contact us today. We are waiting for you in Shenzhen, China. See you next time.